wrapping up here at Venice. We're heading to the airport where we're going to catch a bus to...
Do you not know where we're going?
I have no idea. I don't plan these things. It's all you.
We are taking Flixbus, which we've never tried before, and we're kind of curious how it works. It's a network of independently owned and operated buses that really are present all throughout Europe, but it's our first time doing it, so we'll see how it goes. We head to Portoroz, where we pick up a rental car and head to the town of Piran, where we'll be for the next few nights.
I'm glad you know where we're going, because I have no idea.
I know you don't.
Grazie mille.
Portoroz?
Yeah, Portoroz.
There's a dog driving the van. It's also called the drug wagon. I really wonder about that dog. We successfully made it to Piran.
What country?
We are in Slovenia. And a quick review of Flixbus. What'd you think, Bill?
The bus was brand new. It was very clean.
Well, we're not sure about the bathroom because neither of us used it. I heard an American woman ahead of us talk about how there wasn't toilet paper, and another woman came out of there and pretty aggressively sanitized her hands, so I decided to stay away. We checked into our hotel, and now we are heading down to the waterfront in Piran, not the old town. I think we might save that for tomorrow and have some dinner. We are starving. We had just a really quick lunch of some sandwiches we got from the market, and it was not enough. We are just so hungry. So we are walking down the narrowest road without any sidewalks.
So we wanted to make sure we recorded this before we died.
We love you, Mom and Dad and Mom.
So what is it?
I have grilled calamari and Bill has fried calamari. You know that one friend that you have that all of the bugs are attracted to and all of the mosquitoes bite them? I'm that person. We got here to Piran, and in maybe an hour and a half, I had 4 or 5 mosquito bites already. So we actually had to come to the pharmacy and find some more powerful bug spray, and hopefully these will keep the mosquitoes away. Just keeping it real here at Tales from Our Pocket. Really? Heading down to Old Town Piran. If Piran looks a little like Venice, that's because it is. Well, at least it was until 1797. After World War II, the area became part of Yugoslavia. Slovenia gained its independence in 1991 and hasn't looked back. It's as tall as my head. Heather upset she has to call American again. Here comes stairs. Stairs. wall. Green.
Point out the dog.
Stairs. Small child. Just kidding. Oh, no small child.
These are the most unusual steps I've ever seen. You have one per foot.
We climbed the tower. This is from the top of the tower that's attached to the church that sits above the old town of Piran. And the view from up here is spectacular. There's a sail regatta off in the distance, and we can watch people down in the main square, and it's definitely worth the climb.
Yeah, it's fantastic up here. Views are great. Photographer's delight. And we're really excited. The town is pretty much what it is. There's a lot to do here in terms of just sitting in the sun and relaxing and going to some beaches nearby. And that's, except for the beaches, that's pretty much what we're gonna do.
Is that it?
I think it's done. The bells are pretty damn big. More importantly, they're a couple feet from our heads.
Smile. Oh my God. That is not me telling anyone to smile. It's a command for the shutter on my phone.
Whoa. Hello.
A strange man in a hat that I don't know.
Let's go find that too.
Bill is wishing he brought his Speedo with.
Alright, I didn't fall in. Yeah, it's very nice. If we had our swimming suits, we could go swimming.
So as you can see, the beachfront here, or the ocean front, is lined with a bunch of rocks. So that's what you lie down on. It doesn't look really all that comfortable. Some people have brought like camping mats. And on the other side, right behind me, are a ton of eateries. Great views.
Especially today, because there's like a sailing regatta going on. There's 30 or 40 sailboats off in the distance, which is really neat to watch from all the different perspectives in the town.
Yeah. It's a fun little place.
So there aren't a ton of tourist things to do while we're here in Piran. We sort of had done that. We went up to the church, we walked around the boardwalk.
Hey, there's this exhibit here. Do you want to go to this?
No. Triumph! Celebrated by fireworks outside. Woo! The whole city is happy for us. We booked another vacation.
Where are we going?
You'll have to see.
It's a secret?
Yeah.
Ah. That was a bad one.
No.
Yes, that was bad.